Welcome back to C1 The House. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get a Microsoft Fabric trial version. Trial version setup. To begin, visit the link in the description to access the Microsoft Fabric trial. Addressing access issues. Many corporate environments restrict access to certain tools, and you might encounter an error message indicating that your IT team has blocked access to Microsoft Fabric. Even if you try to sign up using a personal email address, you might face issues. Setting up your business email. Here is a simple workaround. Before starting your project, you will need a domain and a business email address. Follow the steps. Search for domain. Go to bing.com and search for GoDaddy. Choose a domain with a .solution extension, which is usually quite affordable. Add to cart. Select a domain and a business email address. You only need a 1-month domain and business email for this purpose, as the only thing required is the OTP, one-time password, that Microsoft will send to this email address. Purchase and setup. After purchasing, you will be redirected to your new mailbox. It might take 3 to 4 hours for the mailbox to become active. Sign up for Microsoft Fabric. Once your mailbox is active, go back to bing.com and search for Microsoft Fabric trial. Enter the site and provide the email address you created. Follow the instruction to submit your details. Activation timing. You will receive your Microsoft Fabric account for free, but don't activate it just yet. The 60-day trial starts from the activation date. So hold off on activating until the next episode, when we will dive into the setup process. Contact information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn, leave a comment below or email me at support@mskarthik.solutions. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode.